Everyone, we're here at the hospital. It is a Monday morning, and Elijah is drawing a really pretty picture while we wait. He was throwing up and coughing up blood, and he's extremely dehydrated. So we may get platelets and hydration, and we're just waiting for a room right now. So he's feeling kind of icky, but drawing's keeping him distracted. Can I see your drawing? That is very pretty. Awesome, Elijah. He's keeping busy with that. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update that Elijah isn't feeling too well today. He's not holding anything down, and like I said, he was coughing up blood. So alright guys, take care. We'll see you later. Bye bye.